Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's my world, it's your world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to another video. So, if y'all remember from the last clip or the last video, we was having some issue with the lights going on. So, what I did was, took the lights back off. The brake light up top was also bad, so I replaced that one. And the connector, the harness on this side was loose and it wasn't connected all the way. So I connected that and we got the replacement bulbs in there. Now I'm finna jump in, turn it on, and see if all the lights are working and the reverse lights are working. So let's do that right now, man. Alright, so now I'm about to watch the footage back and see if the shit was working. Alright guys, so it looks like everything is alright. Everything is good. All the lights are working. So right now, I'm going to screw these lights back in because they're still loose. And then I'm going to go ahead and start sanding the fiberglass on the trunk. And I know y'all don't want to see me just rubbing back and forth for 20 minutes, pause. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and sand it down. Then I'm gonna just come back to y'all when it's done and it's nice and smooth, and we'll go from there. So, all right, guys, as y'all can see, we got the Durango here. The bottom is all sanded down. It's nice and smooth. Let me give y'all a close up of it. So as y'all can see, smoothed out. The holes are almost filled. That one was way bigger. That hole was like that size, so we're gonna go over it again with one more layer. And as y'all can see, it's still poking out a little bit, some of the rust, where the rust was, but we sanded that down. We eliminated pretty much all the rust on this trunk. So this is gonna be the same process that we do for the rocker panel or the side, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, I can't think right now, but y'all know what I'm talking about. On the side of the door, we're gonna do the same thing. And as y'all can see, some of these spots here, like right here where the rust used to be at, it's all eliminated, but we still got those spots right there. So we gotta go over this again with another layer. But as y'all can see, all the holes are filled pretty much. Like right here, we gotta fill this in a little bit more, but it was a big hole right there. Holes right here, all here. This is not a hole. That's not a hose. So all the holes have been filled. These are not holes. That's just the black paint underneath. And right here where the rest was, all that's eliminated. We just gotta fill that in with one more layer of Bondo. As y'all can see, all over there here, all of that been sanded off. So that thick layer has been sanded off. Now we got a nice smooth layer, and we're gonna go over it one more time. And after we go over it one more time, we're gonna sand it down again with 80 grit, and then probably hit it with like some 1500 grit, just to get it nice, smooth, and ready to get painted. But before we get it painted, before I paint it, I'm gonna wash this car. I'm gonna take it to the car wash and wash it, because as y'all can see, we got all type of dust follicles and everything all over it right now. So once I get ready to paint it, I'm gonna take it to the car wash and wash it first. But yeah, man, that's how it's looking. That's the progress right now. So let me stop talking to y'all and let me get back to it, and I'll bring the camera back once you know, we get to the next step. So yeah.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.